assembled here as a leadership of the country to put a final touch to a document of hope, a document of peace, a document of prosperity for our country. We have come a long way as a country. We have gone through challenges, and as a resilient country, we don't give up because we have challenges. We rise like a phoenix out of the ashes to take a new trajectory for our country. The BBI report before us, Your Excellency, is tremendous work in progress, is a good report and must be supported. For anybody who may wish to have an issue with it, I encourage you, don't say reject, say improve. Because there is room for improvement on each and everything that we have in life. I'm particularly happy, Your Excellency, that for the first time we have put our commitment to the integration of the region in our constitution. Kenya stands to gain tremendously by continuing to be the major player in the economy of the East African region and beyond. Equally important, Your Excellency, is the centrality of devolution in this document. Today, as we speak, Your Excellency, Nigeria has emerged as the largest economy on the continent because of embracing devolution and taking more money to devolve the units and the villages. By taking 35% of our revenue to the villages, to the counties, we are going to witness a revolution in the economy of this country like never before. And this is going to change the narrative, the psyche, and above all, the manner in which Kenyans engage with each other. When there is plenty in our midst, room for conflicts diminish. When there is less in our midst, everybody struggles for the little that there is. I want to encourage Kenyans, read the document, understand the document, and like we were told from Kisii, nothing is cast in stone. A good idea will always give way to a better idea. And I have no doubt, Your Excellency, that this is your signature legacy to this country. I want to finish by saluting our retired President Mwai Kibaki. He, after the 2007-2008 conflicts, navigated and midwifed the birth of the 2010 Constitution. And that's why we're here to look at that Constitution and make it even better. You said, Your Excellency, in Kisii, that in 1963, we had a Constitution that was a ceasefire document. In 2010, we had a Constitution that was a stopgap document. Now we are going to have the ultimate document, the Constitution that will lead this country for generations to come. And fellow Kenyans, don't let anybody read for you. Read yourself, understand, and if you have any new idea, we want our country to move together as one big happy family called Kenya. God bless us all.